guys, your girl Jazz. Yes, it's me. If you are new, welcome. If you are my current subscribers, hello. It is now 1 month of my keto and intermediate fasting lifestyle change. When I tell you, it has been a struggle these last 3 weeks. Okay, but I managed to survive. Y'all. So, in the beginning, when I started keto, I was 280 pounds, okay? I was 280 pounds. If you looked at my previous video, now I'm going to show you how much I weigh now. Did you see it? Did you see it? Yes. Your girl is at 270, honey. 270. That means I have lost a total of 10 pounds. Yes, if you can think about it, it looks like I only lost 2 pounds. Wait, yeah, 2 pounds within the last 3 weeks. Yo, when I tell y'all I was yo-yoing like crazy because I had some binge moments with some carbs. No, Jazz. No. But the fact that I had some bad carbs that I couldn't understand, and I wonder why people say no carbs while you're on a keto diet, while you're on a keto lifestyle change. I'm not gonna say no carbs, but no bad carbs. Cause like when I tell you I was struggling and I was like I had like some huge sweet cravings. And so, and I didn't know about fat bombs at the time when I was first starting. So I had cookies, chocolate chip cookies, like I was having rice, like knowing that I don't need to have it. And I went back up 6 pounds. So I had to lose the 6 pounds that I gained from a weekend of terror and been going up and down since then. So, I got all those 6 pounds up. So what happened is that I went down to 269. Then after that crazy weekend of like binging with carbs, I went up to 276. I was like, holy crap. Okay, no more mess ups. I can't do this no more. Josh, you need to get serious. So I worked hard and I got it right back down to 270 now. So, it's been like crazy, y'all. Like, when I tell you, like, the struggle was real. I think I finally am getting the hang of the keto diet now. But, like, my second week was, like, it was crazy. My first week was amazing. My second week, I was like, what the heck am I doing to myself? But it was so good. What helped me through these last 2 weeks was learning different recipes to really get my keto side going. Found out my weaknesses and find alternatives for those weaknesses. So knowing I have a huge sweet tooth, I decided to make fat bombs. So I made this like bombing, like this off the chain peanut butter cheesecake fat bomb. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, I'm gonna put the link below because that baby was phenomenal. You hear me? And so that helped big time with my cravings of my sweet tooth. So that helped me bring my weight down. Also, I have been working out too, a lot more these last 2 weeks to help bring those 6 pounds off again. So I've been working, like last week I worked out all 5 days. And the week before my binge, I had worked out all 5 days too to get those 6 pounds back off. So now I'm back down to 270 and I'm trying to keep going from there on down. No more going up, I'm going down. So now that I'm getting the hang of the keto lifestyle change, it's better. It's been better for me and I've been now coping with it and knowing what to do, what not to do. Because after I found out what not to do and I did it, it messed me up. And I'm like, oh no, I ain't going back no more. No more, honey. No more. Ate these last 2 weeks to help me also bring that weight back down was I've been eating blackberries for snacks in the morning. I really haven't been eating breakfast, so I kind of been skipping breakfast a lot more these last 2 weeks. with this intermediate fasting, bruh, like when I tell you it has like literally, I think saved my life from like not being hungry every 5 minutes. Now I have to tell myself to actually eat because I'm still not really hungry, which is good. So this intermediate fasting has been helping out tremendously now that I'm doing it the right way. You know, you live and you learn, trial and error. So with that, like I've been eating blueberries, I've been eating nuts like almonds, I've been eating mixed nuts. For lunch, I'll have a salad with some high fats like olives, egg, protein like chicken or tuna. I've been eating that for lunch, and then for dinner, I really don't eat dinner. I'll probably have a fat bomb, one of my peanut butter cheesecake fat bombs, and drink like 2 bottles of water, and I'm gone. What I'm gonna start implementing though, this after today, is starting to sleep more, because I've been sleeping a little bit, like I've been sleeping late these last couple weeks. Like I've been going to sleep around 12 o'clock, waking up at 5 o'clock. Like I'm only been giving myself up to 5 hours of sleep, and really to help with weight loss, from the research I've been looking at, it's good to sleep. Give yourself a good amount of sleep so your body can rest and recover from working off all those ketones throughout your body. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. However, I'm gonna show a picture of my before, and then I'm gonna show you a picture of now. So that's how I currently look right now. So tell me what you guys think. If you see a difference, let me know. If you don't, don't say nothing. Just like, okay, girl. But my goals for this month coming. So from February 12th now to March 12th, I am trying to lose 10 minimum to 15 or more pounds within the last month. My minimum is 10 pounds, so I'm trying to lose at least 10 pounds from February 12th, which is today, all the way to March 12th, okay? Then there'll be another month review. I'll probably do little short videos throughout the months. Throughout my month, hopefully, because how my schedule is with my organizations, with church, with work, trying to juggle everything. I'm just trying to give y'all as much insight as I possibly can. However, if you guys have questions, please comment below, or you can DM me. I'll put in my social media information at the bottom as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, 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 wonderful day. Please stay encouraged. Please keep pushing. Don't think you're not alone because you're not. Don't think you're alone because you're not. Okay, we're in this together. We're helping each other out. So when you comment below, that helps me out. If you ever been on keto, like let me know what you've been doing. If you're thinking about doing keto, well, let me know what you be researching, because we can help each other out. I'm new to this. Kinda like I did it before and it worked for like 2 weeks, but I got off of it. But this time I'm making it a lifestyle change. That was more of a diet for me when I did do it for 2 weeks. Lost pounds, but I didn't make it as a lifestyle change. And this, I'm currently like making a lifestyle change and really implementing it in my life. You can hear me, like this is like how I'm gonna eat from here on out. Because it's all the foods I really like eating. So if you guys have any questions, any comments, comment below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you subscribe, and make sure you like this video, and make sure you share this video if somebody else is going through keto and they want to know, let me see how it works for me. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.